Welcome to the New England Quilt Museum. We are going to look at Fierce Planets, which is one of their galleries that they have going on today. We have this, begin with this beautiful piece. We are in Lowell, Massachusetts. So, we have had a meet and greet already. And look at this room. Some of these are molten lava in planets, and that's what they were explaining to me. Here's that. We're going to go into this room real quick. Look at that.
Okay, can I go in here by myself?
Look at that. That's like some kind of twister. A twister. Look, do you see the backs of these? They're fantastic.
I know. That's a really cool.
This is kind of funny.
Yeah, that looks like a tornado to me. We have met up with some of our peeps. Look at that. We've got some neat stuff. And we have what looks like to be collage work here. More plant. Look at this. Look at how teeny tiny those log cabins are. Unbelievable. It's beautiful. And we've got some clothing. And let's see what the front looks like. Oh, look. It's the front. I love that there's children in here. It's fabulous. Fabulous to have little children.
Collage. Have you ever made a collage before where you take construction paper and tear it out?
I'm gonna go into this other room. Look at that. I am sorry if I'm going way too fast. Look at that. These are beautiful and amazing workmanship. I'm going to do a quick go through, and then I want to actually then look at this slowly, but I want to give you all a quick glimpse before I slowly go through it. And we keep going. And there's more. Oh, that's it for the plantain. That's a different exhibit. So I hope you all enjoyed this. Please like, subscribe, and share my channel. And I'll see you soon. Bye.